My buddy.
Show me how you fake sneeze.
Can you sneeze? That's it. Achoo. Achoo. Cute. That's a good one. That was a good one. Achoo.
That's what we kept doing the whole time we were taking Chase's 12-month pictures with the photographer.
Oh, really? Kept sneezing?
Or fake sneezing. I had her doing it too. Everyone was fake sneezing to get Chase to laugh. Because he thinks it's so funny.
Achoo. You do it. I want you to sneeze. Can you sneeze? Yeah.
What language was that?
And I can translate. I want your camera, Grandma. That's what that translates to.